Bonjour everyone, Madam Boo here. Welcome back to my channel. And we are doing a natural press, aka a silk press, on a client with, I want to say maybe type 3 hair. I really don't remember. This video is so old, didn't even know I had it. But her hair was very easy to work with. The press came out nice. She does have a little tiny bit of heat damage, but she was like, I don't even care. Not for me, but I mean, like when I was doing her hair, I'm like, you can tell it has been straightened before, but for the most part her curls were still intact. I did the same technique I always use, tension method with the blow dryer. I use the same products. I'll put them on the screen still. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. And that is it, guys. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.